So, all right. Debit notes, as it is the opposite of credit notes. We use credit notes. We use credit notes to receive goods back from our customers we have supplied, while we use debit notes to return goods back to our suppliers where we bought them. So, goods receipts and delivery notes, they work similarly. The goods received is what you use to receive goods from um, any location, while delivery notes is the way B you use to send customers goods to their destination. So, moving on, we have the inventory items. So, the inventory items, this is the register of your inventory of your stock that you have in the store, the items that you sell. This is where you create, this is where you do the updating and the adjustment, setting the prices and every other thing before sales. Now, inventory transfer, in some cases, some businesses have branches, a warehouse, the main warehouse, they have depot, they have branches, and they are selling points. So, if the inventory can be transferred from one location to another. Now, when goods are completely damaged beyond recovery, then we use inventory write-off to strike it out of our stock record. Now, production order, if you are making pre-order process, that is to say, you order for a goods, like for example, you have the money to buy a car and you want the company to build a car to your own taste, like customize. Okay, before the car is coming out in 2027, I want to have my own design. So you make your pre-order. But now, in this case, if you are a manufacturer, you place order for production. As you see that your goods are going, you are going out of stock, you quickly make order for production. Now, this is project. This accounting software is superb. It can handle both the sales, the accounting record, the taxation, the project management, services. So it's not limited to just sales, trading business alone. Is open to every kind of business. Very flexible, I must tell you. Now, we also have investments. This where you manage all your investment record. We have the fixed asset. Fixed asset is talking about the machines, the building, the landed property, and every other physical major asset that you have, which leads us to depreciation. Depreciation is the periodic deduction which you assign to the fixed asset, the wear and tear. Because when you buy a car in 2014, by 2017 it can no longer be the same value. So the wear and tear of that vehicle is calculated and deducted using depreciation. Now, intangible asset is the opposite of fixed asset. Intangible asset, they are they are not physical. They are the like intellectual properties, copyrights, and every other assets that are not physically seen or heard. Then capital account takes care of like partnership and every other business funding that the owner of the business is bringing in. Capital accounts takes care of it, and every other capital projects that the company creates avenue for. Then we have special account to record and manage every special accounting apart from the trading and the operating accounting system. Now we have the journal. Journal entry virtually takes care of all the posting, the double entries of all the records. Journal entries takes care of it. We have the folder. Folder is just to keep record, to keep information, to store, just like a storeroom. It has nothing to do exactly with the records, but it's just to store, to keep. So we have setting. Setting is where we do we make the software to behave the way we want it to behave. For example, one key thing about the settings here. Now you have the business details. This is where you set the business details. Then the date format, how you want the format of the date to be. And then another thing is lock dates. Lock date is used to secure the record that has already been recorded. For example, you close from work on Friday, you lock that date. By the time you are coming on Monday or you are at home on Sunday, you cannot modify the record that has been locked as on Friday. So it's work as you go. Unless there is need to open, then you can open and do your adjustment and then you lock it back. So these are the few notable things that we can talk about the setting. There is a lot more about setting which the administrator handles. So thank you very much. I will see you in the next class.